I told Soul to crash, but no, he not no dummy. Bro, send out that pack, if you sitting in that money. I just left the scene, cause that shit was looking funny. I'm gon' bend her over, break her back, that's my Labani. Yeah, that's my Labani, she quick to catch a homie. Rollin' sticky pack, that shit, that gas, it got me dummy. You won't taste the bad, but taste the hoe, that's where you lost me. And yes, I'm double X, a triple K, so don't get cross G. Blue told me to change, I told them no, that's why they like me. You the type to cuff, I told her no, can't have.
Really, man, the title explains itself, man. But you know, we're in Walmart right now, man. So we about to get into the video, man. Yeah, we finna go around with the loudspeaker, man, playing sex sounds to get people reaction. But you know, we finna get to the video. Hey, okay. Come.
Buddy, you're weird.
This the stupid bitch that got us kicked out, man. That bitch is like the actor from Friends. You can't afford it by now,
Shit, get your money right, fuck, nigga.
Here you go. Oh, shit. Yeah, I'm tired of that. It was so disrespectful.
One.
Nigga in the Dollar Tree.
Come on, man. Don't do it to yourself. Look at your fat musketeer ass talking for me. You want to have no roast session. Bitch, I should have
bigger than me, nigga.
Muscle, nigga. Look at this nigga.
Yeah, you don't
Look at this dude. On God, I don't. What you trying to do to prove it?
On God?
What you trying to do to prove it, bro?
Quickly, and there's the rock-a-baby, I think he calls it.
He was scared. Why ain't
Nigga, I did 2 of them.
No, you didn't. On game, what you did? You did 2 of them, and what happened? It didn't get caught on camera, though, right? Nah, nigga, you was scared. You was scared, dude. He was spooked, y'all, boy. Still spooked, man. Jit was hiding from the people. I already know what. You a virgin? This is a serious question on the channel. This is a serious question on the channel. Bro, just answer the question.
Answer no question. Ask him the question, man. Ask him the question.
I'll answer this. Go answer it, bro.
You a virgin?
Yeah.
How old are you?
35.
You 35?
And he said he was a 30-year-old virgin. You know what I'm saying? Now that's tough.
You 35? 35. 35. Like Kevin Durant, boy. You gotta win you a championship one day. You better get it.
This how that boy gonna finally feel when he lose his virginity. Yeah, my boy. Live it up, man.
You gotta win you a championship one day. You better get it. 2P. You gotta get it, my boy.
I'm good.
You better get on blackpeoplemeet.com.
I still got that.
Nigga say he still got her June. You a virgin too, bro?
Man, ask me no questions.
You a virgin?
Hell yeah, man. I'm virgin celibate.
You celibate, dumbass nigga.
I'm celibate.
Dumbass motherfucker. Dre, man. No, don't tell me Dre high, man. Dre? No. Coming soon, man. These niggas finna bet $500 on the 1v1 basketball game. I don't know what's up in my form, but I had to almost come out of timing with these niggas, man. Y'all get the memo. Alright, man. We got kicked out of Walmart, man, so we had to just turn it to a small vlog, man. We got better and new content coming soon, though, man. Y'all boys make sure y'all like and subscribe, man. You know, we gonna be back next week with a new banger, though, man. We out there.
I'm a mean nigga, no my ops don't wanna face me. Bow my head and close my eyes, Kareem, don't let them take me. Crackers, they can't shake me.